Hello, drum majors or potential drum major candidates. Mr. Don't Sound Like. Going to do a quick tutorial on the Star Spangled Banner. Sent you a PDF of flag raising ceremony arranged by Yoder. We don't do the fanfare at the very top of the first page, and we're not going to worry about Hail to the Chief because the president's not here on the second page. So we will be focusing on the Star Spangled Banner. Starts right here, third system down. Goes on to the first line of the second page. Okay, so a couple quick notes. Move this chair out of here. A couple quick notes. So thinking about how it functions. Move this light here. Spooky. We're going to prep on 2 at the beginning, so it's stat 1, prep 2, sound on 3. Okay, so that's prep 2 right there. And then I'm not sure if this is going to be backwards for you guys or not. But right here, it's show the breath going into the phrase, the repeated phrase, if you will, at 18. With broad stripes and bright stars. Okay. Pick up to 26. We have those 8th notes we're always griping about. And the rocket's red glare. You're going to want to change style a little bit right there. So it's kind of the first bar of all these systems right here. And then style, the pickup right here where it says forte. Oh, say does. That's when you want to shift a little bit back into a more, marcato, forceful ending because we're ending the song. Okay, yum bum ba da dum bum ba yum ba da da da. 1, 2. May your fermata go into the release, and then your release continue into your prep. Ba da. Yum bum ba, and again, show that here and show it here. Okay, bum ba da da da, yum bum 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 ba, and I like to subdivide the third beat at the very second to last measure there, penultimate measure. I like to subdivide this for the drum line. It makes the ritardando a lot more clear for them. Ba, yum bum 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 bum, and they can see that little rebound. To subdivide, you always do a check mark in the opposite direction. So 1, check, 2, check, 3, check, 4, check. For 3, 1, check, 2, check, 3, check. So it's always your basic pattern. So we're conducting in 3. And then you're going to go 1, you're going to go the opposite direction where you would go next to subdivide. 1, check, 2, check, 3, check. 1, check, 2, check, 3, check. That's how you'd subdivide. Okay, right there it'd just be 1 and 3, check, 1. So they could trace you a little more easily going to the end. Okay, we're going to be using, I'll send you the link. This is the October 18th, 2019 Grand Haven High School Buccaneer Marching Band pregame show. And this is going to be starting at 5:48 in the recording. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just conduct this thing after we do a quick little recap. So you're set up, you're projecting from here in the upper chest. People are looking here, here, here. It makes a triangle. Okay, so we're looking at all these parts. This is important, but this has to be believable, okay? So as you're doing this, avoid keeping this too high. Avoid keeping it too low. I can't see what you're doing, okay? I think 2 grocery bags, paper ones, turn it over. This is kind of your setup. Not to be overly prescriptive, but about 45 even to the ground is generally comfortable for a lot of people. Starting stance, we don't want to be really together. Remember, we don't cross planes because it looks like we're doing magic, not conducting. Keep them separated. You're going to start here, fingers together. We're not going baby bear, and we are not going kid slapping water. Okay, so fingers together. Again, my pinkies kind of fly off the ends. Not great, that's what I do. So here's my set, opening set. And I'm going to breathe on 2, show a prep, and sound will start. So it's 3, a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, 1, 3 and 1 and 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 3 and 1 and 3, 1, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1 and 3, 1, 3 and 1, 2, 3, jump, diggity dum dum ba, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 3 and 1, 2 and 3, 1. And that would be how I'd go about learning this, using that. I would really just spend some time reviewing the rhythms right here and just using 1, 2, and 3. 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Just so you're thinking numbers relative to your pattern, okay? We saw that, pattern control can be a challenge sometimes when you're learning a new pattern. 3's a little harder to think about than 4, because we all just want to do duple things, but 3 is a triple, right? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So let's just hit 1 a couple times. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 2 is going out. 2, 2, 2, 2. 3, coming back up. 3, 3, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And a really good practicing tool, as you guys are kind of figuring out where you look best on camera. Right now I'm kind of using the bottom of my screen recorder right now, or my webcam recorder, as my ictus, okay? So this is kind of where my hands go, and they don't go past this point. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That's a really good way to just keep yourself in check across your body. So you're not going too low, not going too high. If your hands are going off the screen and your face is somewhere in the middle, way too high. You want to go from about where your head is to about the ictus point, which I would say is the bottom of your screen recorder. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And with psychological conducting, as we talked about in our meeting, like, make people believe what you're trying to do. Okay? If you don't believe what you're trying to accomplish, right or wrong, they're not going to believe it either. So it does start here, and it goes to here, and we need to make sure we're always projecting from here. This is not confident. This is not confident. Velociraptor. Okay, so again, good confident setup. So I'm going to go ahead and play the Star Spangled Banner recording of our own band doing this, and if I can actually get to that screen. Not sure if I can. Excellent. All right. So here we go.
With our national anthem.
I can't see the whole thing. I don't think I can minimize this thing. There we go. Go away. Okay. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to squint really hard at Mr. Stoner's hands and make sure I can stay with him.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Buccaneer Marching Band with our national anthem.
I can't see him.
Buccaneer Marching Band with our national anthem.
Well, isn't this just a peckle? You'll be dealing with this.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Buccaneer Marching Band with
I'll stay up close.
national anthem.
whatever. I bring the pattern in a little bit right here because the style's different. More marcato. Okay, so yeah, kind of a challenge to start like that. If you have to miss the first beat just for pressing play and trying to figure it out, great. I will keep trying to find things that are easier to go along with, but I really do like the idea of using our way of playing it because it's just what we do. So let's go last time. Set up. This is the banner at the beginning. You're going to give the drum line a roll. You come back. So it'll be, there they go. Come back. 3, a 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, a 1, 2, 3, 1. 3 and 1. I always talk to the tubas right there. 3, a 1, 2, 3. I always sing that rhythm wrong. 3, a 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, a 1, 2, 3, 1. 3 and 1 and 3, 1. 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1. 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 1 and 3, 1. 3 and 1, 2, 3, shum diggity dum dum ba. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2. 3 and 1 and 3 and 1. 3 and 1 and 3, 1. And that's the gist. So email me with questions, let me know, and do your best getting through this video because this whole conducting thing through a computer with lag is difficult. Okay, hang in there, guys. Thanks.